Hi, my name is Ghazaleh Abdollahzadeh. Today is my first day here at PwC Croatia, and I'm very happy to be here because the atmosphere is great from so far what I've realized and seen, and there seems to be a lot of great people working here who are ready to help you out in difficult situations, which is a good thing to see for someone who just started to work at a company. How do you feel about it so far?
Well, my name is Jerome Jackson. I'm previously from Jamaica, PwC. It's been so welcoming here so far. Comparing to PwC back home, everyone here is warm, welcoming. The introduction was it was very detailed, and I have a lot to expect, and I can't wait to engage with my new team members and everyone else here.
Same as well. I'm excited to get to know more people and to see how things are functioning here. So that's something that I'm definitely now looking forward to more than yesterday, let's say, for sure.